Hi, Ozzy. Are you ready for your fortune? Mama's got a fortune for you. What kind of fortune you got? Oh, hand it to him. Yeah, put your hand in there. Ozzy, Mama got you something. He's like, I'm eating shrimp, woman. Let's see Ozzy open a fortune cookie and read it. Super intelligent bird opens and reads fortune cookie aloud. I think I'm gonna tag that like this. Give you guys some clickbait since I get more views with clickbait, or everybody else does anyway.
Yeah,
of course he might actually open it and read it.
Ozzy is going.
He's like, I'm not putting this shrimp down for a cookie. You're out of your mind. Ozzy. You don't get shrimp very often, but when he does, he savors the moment.
First time.
That's not his first time.
Which shrimp?
I've given him shrimp multiple times. Yes, I give him shrimp every time I eat shrimp. Oh! Oh, I just got something good. Look at him cock his head back. Like, ooh, get me a fortune cookie. He don't never get fortune cookies. This is his first. So if he does open it and he reads it aloud, that is going to be awesome. What's it say? Get your fortune. Get your fortune. Be careful, don't break it. Uh-oh, there it is. He's like, uh-oh, what is that in there? Oh, he drops his fortune. He dropped his fortune. No, mommy. And tweezers. Ozzy, you dropped your fortune, buddy. He wants his shrimp. I guess you can get some more shrimp since you dropped your cookie for now until Mama goes to me tweezers. I wanted you to read the fortune to everybody. You know you can. You know you can. Ozzy. Alright, Ozzy. Can you read this or not? Tune in. Ask yourself this question. Is my attitude worth catching? It sure is, Ozzy. Your attitude is definitely worth catching. With that, we're out of here. Peace, love, and happiness, everybody. Like, subscribe, and tell your friends. Hey. Shrimp eating, fortune cookie reading McCall. Dun 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 dun. Make him say something for the people. He dances with his mommy. And he says all that stuff she's saying too.
Ozzy. Pretty boy.
Say, I'm a pretty bird.
Pretty bird.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. They never do it on film for some reason. I don't know why.
Hello.
As soon as I quit recording, he's going to be a never-ending talking station.
That's Mama.
Whoa, we got him some shrimp. All right, we're out.